Buddhi Bhav Yog is a new initiative of Sankhya Yoga Educator to give you a daily dose of self-awareness selected just for you by Vritti Coach Suchitra Parekh. The quotes will come to you from the Yoga Cyclopedia Volume 2, where Dr. Jaydev introduces the concept of the 8 bhavas of Buddhi as a practical approach to yoga education. Here I will share key thoughts, chosen thoughts from the book for your use and awareness. Sankhya Darshan regards Buddhi as an instrument of Purusha, the consciousness. It is able to experience all the objects. All the senses, they present their objects of knowledge to Buddhi, where knowledge occurs. So Buddhi is both Vritti also, whatever mental modification, whatever consciousness in the mind is there, and it also has the sanskara, the memory of all the past that has gone through. It is not limited by me and mine notion. This is important to remember. The constituents of our personality are right conduct or self-direction, called dharma, knowledge and concentration, called jnana, perfect objectivity, called vairagya, and willpower, self-reliance, self-efficacy, called aishwarya. It also has negative aspects of all of these. The evil conduct and doubt, called adharma, wrong knowledge and ignorance, called ajnana, excessive subjectivity, called avairagya, you can also call it raga, and weakness and overdependence, called anashwarya. Buddhi, loosely translated as intellect, is also called chitta and loosely translated as mind. Now, Buddhi contains all the ingredients necessary for perfection of human being, or its self-actualization, call it self-realization. Buddhi, in its perfected form, can hasten learning and evolution to the optimum. Yoga is for controlling and managing the Buddhi and reach both self-actualization also and self-realization also. Buddhi is the ground for all learning. All the work done on the bhavas of Buddhi brings about learning and education, transforming one into a good human being, contributing to making a better society. Any work done, which may be called as learning or education, which is outside of the bhavas, neither contributes to individual growth, nor does it further any purpose or any good for any community. You can also connect with me on any of these 3 links, which are of my app, Sankhya Yoga Educator, and of a WhatsApp group, as well as I have shared here this 3rd link, which is for a discovery session, a one-on-one 15 minutes free call. So keep in touch, do well, and be happy.